In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure an agent signature on Zendesk. Having a personalized signature for your agents is a great way to present a professional image in your customer interactions and reinforce your brand identity in every email that is sent. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Zendesk website. Zendesk provides a comprehensive solution for all your customer service needs, so once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In option. Click on Sign In and you'll be prompted to enter your Zendesk account credentials. Make sure you type in your email and password accurately, and then click Sign In again to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step involves heading to your settings. Look for the settings icon, which is usually located on the lower left or upper right part of the interface, depending on your configuration. Clicking on this icon will take you into the administrative settings area. Within the administrative settings, you'll want to find the Admin Center. Select the option to go to Admin Center. This area is where you manage all key elements of your Zendesk account. Once you're in the Admin Center, navigate to Workspaces. After selecting Workspaces, you'll see various options related to the customization and functionality of your agent's workspace. Here, you'll want to click on the Agent Interface option. This section specifically deals with the settings related to the user interface your agents interact with daily. In the agent interface settings, look for the signature section. This is where you will craft your agent's signature. A well-crafted signature often includes the agent's name, position, company name, and contact information such as an email or phone number. It acts as a digital business card, helping customers to know exactly who they're communicating with. Go ahead and type in the desired signature, keeping it both professional and useful. Once you've typed in your signature, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the page. Click Save to ensure that all your changes are recorded and the new signature is ready for use in agent communications. And that's it. You've successfully configured an agent signature on Zendesk. This small but significant customization can greatly enhance your customer service communications by adding a personal touch to every interaction. Remember, maintaining consistency with signatures across your team can further solidify your brand's image and credibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for more support.